Within this lesson, we are going to be finishing off our tip calculating project. Let's add in a new variable. I'm going to call it temp. It'll be essentially our template for our output. I'm using single quotes within this one because in case I want to use double quotes within my HTML, I want to fine tune it. And I'm also going to update the output to be inner HTML as well. So we can write you should tip and then have a $sign value there. And then we can break out of the string. So this would be whatever our tip value is, and then break back into the string with a single quote on. And then this is the total number of, or total cost that we're calculating that tip upon. So close that off. We need to create those variables. So tip will contain a value of what we were outputting in the console. And we want to update this and fix it. So we're going to use toFixed. And essentially what this does is it formats the number to a fixed point notation. And with currency numbers, we want to account for cents. So we want to move in 2 decimal places over to account for the cents. So that's going to give us a value for the tip. And then we already have that value for the cost as well. So let's save that and refresh. And let's do tip. And then we need to still update this to inner HTML. And the inner HTML here is going to be whatever the value of temp is. So refresh, tip, and we get an output of you should tip $15 on object because we don't have the value there. So make sure that we add in value there. Try that one more time. You should tip $15 on 100. Type of format, we can calculate out whatever the tip is going to be. So even if this has cents attached to it, you're going to see that it outputs here within that cents format as well. And we get the tip being calculated on the total value that's input within that input field. In the upcoming lesson, I'll show you how you can template this, and this is going to make your code a little bit neater as well. So templating, what that does is it allows you to bring the object in without having these breaks out of the string value. So that's coming up in the next lesson. So go ahead and try this out and make sure that your tip calculator is functioning.